friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you this DIY of this candy sticks and washi tape. See how beautiful and fast we can color this candy sticks for your craft projects. So I'll show you how to make this. We need some candy sticks and a washi tape and a glue also, because this washi tape's glue is not that good, so I prefer to secure with this glue adhesive so that our project stays longer. So just apply this washi tape on this, and here we go, and just cut it in this manner. See how beautiful and fast, rather than spray painting or painting with watercolor or acrylic colors, this are more clean and nice. So I'll just show you one another. Just apply adhesive, glue, and take the washi tape, printed or plain one. I'm using a printed plain one. Just in this manner, just turn it and cut it this way. So here it is. You can make with as many as colors you need. See, I have already made this. So I hope this video is very useful to you, and please do apply glue also, so that your tape secures its place well, and it doesn't come out after your project is complete. So this is very clean work. So I hope you like my video and it is very helpful to you. If you are able to recreate it, please do comment me in the comments. And till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.